Just think. If you had to button your wallet every day, what a hassle it would be.
That's when Velcro comes in, and this is how it came about.
With the help of Velcro, you wouldn't have to button your wallet anymore. Just think. What would Spider-Man be if there were no gecko? You see, just by observing our daily needs of nature in mind, we will find countless possibilities to solve the impossibilities in our daily life. Look no further, only through nature. Just think. If all the barnacles were to stick to the bottom of submarines, they may sink. But the concept of the rough-skinned sharks would just do the job. If submarines have rough surfaces, no barnacles can attach themselves to the submarines anymore. Isn't that amazing? So who should we credit? Of course, the rough-skinned sharks belong to nature. The possibilities are out there. Just go for it.